There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Welcome everybody to today's Flash Insight call. My name is Dominic and I will take you through my fundings and also the accounts that I'm running. I'm running a gold account, I'm running an account with all the pairs, just not JPY and Swiss franc pairs. And also I will show you which strategy I'm using and how this strategy is also working. So let's jump into the share screen. And first of all, let's go through our new Flash new strategy. Here I'm also playing with the US 100. I was running US 100 on H1 and US 30 also on H1. I already discovered that I have to run the US 100 and USD 30. I have to run it on an H4 time frame. Also, if you're gonna run US 100, US 30, and German 30, be really careful about the pip size, because a lot of brokers are calculating pips for these different USD 30, US 100, and German 30. They're calculating it different, so it's really important that you know how they're calculating it, because you can see here that US 100, it's 32,000 pips in minus, and on some other brokers that would be maybe only 3,000 pips in minus or even less. So before you start running this on a live account, what I would suggest to you is try it first out on demo, figure out how they're calculating the pips, and I will show you why is this also important for you. So if we jump into this account that we were just looking at my FX book, this is the account. As you can see right now we are $600 in minus, nothing major, but the most it's coming from 480, it's coming from US 100. So if we go back, you can see here that US 100, it's 42,000 pips in drawdown. So what I want to show you with that is that, like, you have to do it here. You see, like, only have like 2,500 pips. That's like even too small. I have to put like here 5,000 pips, that you can only open one trade every 5,000 pips, because the way the broker is actually calculating the pips. Okay, so and then you just press OK. Here for USD 30, it's okay. You can see it didn't open up so many trades as it opened them up, because you can see here 500 points is 50 pips, and some brokers are actually calculating it different. So here I have it set up that it can only open one trade every 500, so it calculated it the right way here, and you can see we're right now only $32 in minus. Germany 30, you can see here we have it the same way. We have it every 1,000 pips, and we can check here if it did the right thing. Let's see. Okay, and you can see here also it was the right way. We are here in a little bit bigger drawdown, $137, but nothing major. And if we go through all the other pairs, you can see we're here in a buy. We're actually floating profit. NZD USD, we don't have anything open, pending orders. NZD CAD, we don't have anything open. You can see we closed the trade on here. GBP USD. Also, we have pending orders GBP NZD. We have pending orders for sale. So you can see it's like working really nice. We are 5% up already on this account. And then here on the other account, I have the same settings, just not running indices. I'm only running Forex pairs, and I'm running it on M30. As you can see, we are doing really nice. We're up 2%. Minimal drawdown, only 48 dollars. And why is that? Because what we did, it's like we went here. Please stop the recording. Watch it one more time. 0.01. We multiply the lot size to get cash trail with 300. Here we multiply it with 100. We are only have 10 trades enabled. We have like that it can open here on AUD CAT one trade every 50 pips. How we get that? We actually go to uh, my FX book, okay, and we go my FX book market volatility, and then we check actually on M30. I'm checking the AUD CAT daily, how much it's moving on a daily. Daily how many pips it does, and then I just copy this value. I copy it where? I copy it here, max trade space pips, and this is like how I'm doing it. And then you can see here, expire pending time, it's set to 15 minutes. I have the stochastic indicator set to 95 and 5 minutes. Don't trade the JPY pairs and Swiss franc pairs because they're like really volatile and go on a long runs trends. So it's like sometimes it's not good for like a counter trend strategy, like how it's Flash also using it. So this is it. The next thing what I'm testing out, I'm not testing, like I'm already running it now on my live account. Is the gold strategy. The gold strategy, it's actually really simple. With the gold strategy, we are starting to trade before the London opens at 8 a.m. London opens, you can see it here, home, and London, you can see it opens. You can see it opens here at 9 a.m. Central European time. So it's really important that you set it up the right way, and then we stop trading at 4 p.m. Central European time. I will show you how I have the gold settings, gold account set up, and then you have to figure it out because you can see this is my live account right here. I'm trading gold on this account. You can see I'm trading it on M15. Okay, I'm trading it on M15. Today we only had like one trade and we had one sell, and you can see this was actually it. So what I do here, you have to see here, you have server time properties. Now you can see better. You can see here server time. It's Wednesday 16:08. Okay. So now if I go check on my computer, you can see it's actually 6. It's 6 p.m. So this server time, it's actually 2 hours. It's 2 hours behind. Okay. Let me see something. I turned it off because it's FOMC today. Okay, you can see if you have it off, then the server time it's not working properly. So you can see trading time it's already no, it's over, and you can see here the server time it's 7 p.m. and on my clock it's 6 p.m. So I will show you how I set it up. I want that it stops trading at 4 p.m. at 4 p.m. Central European time because the server it's 1 hour in front, and if I want that it stops trading at 4 p.m. Central European time, then I have to put here 16:59 or 17. Okay, if I want that it starts trading at 8 a.m. Central European time, because the server it's 1 hour in front, I have to set it up here 9. So you will have to figure out, because I know you're like living in different time zones all around the world, so you have to figure it out how you have to set it so it starts trading at 8 a.m. Central European time. So if somebody is sitting on the East Coast, New York, Miami, that's for him 2 a.m. EST. So you will have to figure that out. But what you have to be really careful is you have to be careful here that you have this market watch right, and then that you adjust it to Central European time. So the settings that I'm running here on this account, this is actually like a super aggressive account. I'm running 0.01 for every 100 on the account to be like moderate, not so aggressive. You run 0.01 for every $500 on your account. So the next thing what you have to do is you multiply to get take profit cash amount. You multiply 0.02 or 0.01, 0.02, you multiply it with 600, okay? You multiply here with 600 lot size, multiply to 600, so you get the take profit cash amount. The next thing is we are running here cash trail start. We're running 0. If you have 0.01 multiplied with 300, you will get 3. If you have 0.02 multiplied with 300, you're going to get 6. Cash trail buffer, it's always at 1. Okay. Then we have here max trades open per pair. We only allowed to open at 5 trades. If we would ever need more, we can open up more, but we are keeping it at 1. And the next thing is max trade pips. It's set to 1. Max trade space pips is set to 300. Then we have here risk settings. Okay, how we get the risk settings? We are risking $80. If it goes $80 into drawdown, then it's taking us out. How you get this number? You multiply the starting lot size as 0.02. You multiply it with 4,000. You multiply, sorry, 0.02. You multiply 0.02, you multiply it with 4,000 and you will get this number. Then the expire pending time, we have it set to 15 minutes, and the stochastic indicator, we have it set to 97 and 3. Okay, so we want to have like really, really precise trades. Why? I will show you now why we have it like set up like this way. It's really simple. We will pull up the stochastic indicator. Okay, here it is. And we're gonna put it up. We're gonna put levels here. We will add 97 and we will add also 3. And we will press OK. And why we have it set up like this way is because we want that actually Flash starts looking on for trades like really high, because it's a high probability when the stochastic indicator it's like so high on 97. It's you can see here it was way down low. It was way down low here on 3, so it started looking for buys, and you can see and then it exploded up. So we want to get like those short moves on gold, and so far this is working really, really nice. So what is my result? I just started this account on actually started this account on I started it on Monday, the live account, and you can see I'm up $35. We're not going to look at the percentages because percentages are big, but we're up $35. So my goal is to have with these settings with a small account of 250 or $500 is actually to get like around $5 to $10 a day. I'm running also this strategy. I'm running it on a demo account for a little bit longer. I will also show it to you. The same strategy, the same everything, it's the same. And you can see we have it here 95. We will set it up here to 97 also, and 3, and we will press OK. And as you can see, also here we only had like one buy. This we had like here one sell and then also like one buy. And if we put here the indicators also inside, okay, you will see here how it exploded way to the upside when it went on like the stochastic indicator. You can see here we had like the first trade here, the second trade here, and then it closed out here. Why did this happen? Because you can see how low the stochastic indicator was. It was like on 5, close to 3, and then you can see always when it comes like so close, it starts exploding to the way up. So this is like this strategy is working really nice. On this one, this account, I'm running really aggressive. I'm running 0.01 per every 100 on the account. I started like testing it like this way on the July 26th. Right now we are August 17th, so we have like 10 more trading days to go, and we are up right now 242%. We started with $260 and we are up almost $600. So I will be pushing this account to the limits so we can see how far we can actually push it. So if you have any questions for us, we are always available here in the Flash Traders chat. Just message us here and we will be more than happy to answer all of your questions. We are on now on Discord. If you're not in Discord yet, join us and we can help you also. So thank you very much for joining today's call, and thanks to everybody that is watching this recording. And yeah, if you have any questions, just message us. We will be more than happy to answer all of your questions. Thank you and talk to you soon.